Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we have HP Smart Tank 580 printer. We will diagnose the print quality, and then if there is any issue with the quality, we will fix the quality issue and we will clean the print head. So how to print the quality test report? I have to press I button for 3 seconds, and then all lights are blinking. I will press copy button for 3 seconds, press and hold 3 seconds, and then it will print for me quality status report. And we will see. Okay, here you can see it's printing only magenta, yellow and cyan is not printing. So we have to clean the print head. And what things we need to we need one toolkit, cleaning toolkit. I ordered it from AliExpress. I will teach you how to use this toolkit. And then we need two syringes and small amount of hot water, and I will disassemble the printer because I will remove the print head and I will suck the air also from the pipes. This is a screwdriver. So first of all, I will disconnect the power cable, will open the front cover and will remove all the screws from the front. There are, I think, 4 screws in the top, 2 screws, and in the front 4 screws. Okay. Okay, here are 4 screws, and then 2 in the top side. Okay. Okay, right now we will remove the cables and disassemble it completely, and now we have to bring it to in the middle. So I will rotate this and then it can be moved. Okay, fine. So there is air also in the pipes. Okay, but first of all I will clean the print head. Color one, we will remove the print head. First of all, I will put it in the hot water for just 5 minutes and then we will clean. So I have to bring hot water, not much, semi-hot, because we will not damage the print head. Okay. Yes, it's semi-hot. I will add a bit of cold water also. Then I will put it in the water for just 5 minutes. Then I will teach you how we will suck the ink from this cartridge. Meanwhile, it's getting ready. We will remove the air just with that way. Just will take this syringe. I will remove the air manually, and if you can see, the right one, the blue color, you will see the blue color air will remove. Look, it's air removed and ink came right over there. Then in the middle there is magenta color. Magenta is working well, but also there is a air, so I will remove the air. This is magenta, sorry. Okay, now yellow color left. Yellow color is very hard to unclog because it's dry. I don't know why, dry very fast. Look, yellow color is not coming at all. And guys, you can see, yeah, yellow color also moving the air with the syringe. With a lot of efforts, yellow color is also moving finally, and all air I sucked in the syringe. All air is there. So all air is I removed already from the pipes, even magenta, yellow, everything. Now there is no air. If you will see closely, you will observe there is no air in the pipes. Okay, so the other second step, what I will do, we just placed before print head in the hot water. What I will do, so now the time begin, and we will suck this. Make sure that before you connect to power, ink head must be dry well. Okay, ink head dry well. Look, you can see only magenta is coming. So the toolkit I purchased, we will use with that way, like this. Okay, it's fixed. Now with the help of syringe, I will suck the blockage from inside. All blockage I will suck. You can see it's working. This is the actually blockage will be in the garbage. I will trash. Yeah. Three or four times do this and then clean it well. Look, bit of working, so still the process is left. The second process is what I will do, you will see here. Okay, dry it completely dry with the napkin, so it will not damage the printer or it will not short the print head. So now you see I unclogged the nozzles with the help of this toolkit. Okay, now there is one last thing what I will do, just for make sure it's working unclogged completely. I will put again in the toolkit, and what I will do, carefully use this method, don't damage anything. Okay, I am very used to use this method every time. So if you are using first time, so be careful, don't damage anything. What I will do, I insert the head in the toolkit and I will place in the nozzles manually like this. Okay, did you see what I did? I place in the nozzles. So I will suck again with the help of syringe with that way. So make sure that you will see the ink should be passed by here. If there is a air in the pipes, it should be remove the air. In that way. Yeah, hopefully it's working now. Now one time more I will remove this toolkit and I will clean again. Look, we'll clean again the print head, and now if you will see, it's coming all three colors. Make sure that there is no water on that area because it's gonna connect in the printer, it will not damage. Okay, and you can see before there was one color, now three colors are coming, but we have to connect it with the printer. Okay, it's time to fix back now. Okay, there's a spring, make sure that it's placed well, and turn back like this. We will place the top cover and we'll turn on the printer. Before doing everything, we have to use one screwdriver to keep it open. Okay, there is no buttons combination to charge the ink. Suppose during the print it will charge ink automatically. If the print head is okay, it will charge the ink automatically in the print heads. So I am going to give a print command from my laptop. As you can see in my screen, this colorful print, I will gonna make a print, and portrait A4, and I will start print. And you can see right after clean, now printing all colors, very good quality. You can see it's printing very fine, all colors are printing great. You can see guys, this was the process to clean the print head in HP Smart Tank 580 printer. So hopefully it will help you to fix your printer's quality. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.